Hi friends, let me show you this outdoor lamp, floodlight lamp. It's a really nice unit. It's a large lamp. It's 240 watts. Okay, it is aimed for patios, car parking lots, large lawns, or sport places. And you can install it in different places. You can rotate this rack, and you can put it even in the floor to give light to a house or to a wall. Okay, you just have to use this to orient it. Okay, it is IP65. It's waterproof, and we are going to install it and try it. You have this cable to connect it to the electricity. Let's go. Now we have the lamp already installed and wired, and you will see how bright it is when you want to use it. We're going to light up this patio. Let's turn it on. Okay, so as you can see, it's like daylight. It's really bright, and it's enough for all the patio. We could even turn off all the other outdoor lights and have a great bright light for a large area. Turn it off, please. That's off. That's the regular lamps working, and turn it on. Perfect. If you need a light for a large area, this is a great option. Thank you.